Hate shellac? Well, I sure fucking do. That's the quick way to get the shellac off chemicals. This is a Mosin Nagant stock, and you can see the shellac already starting to strip off of there. Look at it all over the floor. Nasty bug shit. I'll do this a few times on both sides. You can literally see the shellac starting to come off. Like I said, I'm gonna do this a few times because the Russians put this shit on thick. But this is how you get off shellac without having a crazy sand first. Shit's been on there for like 75 years. Alright, so as you can see, on this Mosin, a lot of the shellac already is coming off. Yeah, something this big, you can't just use hot water or some alcohol or something. You gotta really make sure it gets stripped good. So I'm gonna hit it again. So this side's good, and gonna let that sit. Make sure you get the bottom. All right, so now covered, so I can strip it, and then I'm gonna brush it to continue to get this bug excrement from Russia from 75 years ago off of here. And the same with the upper handguard. Alright, now you're gonna want to leave this as it is and let that cake off the rest of the shellac, and then you can wipe that crap off. You're still gonna have to sand, but this makes it a lot easier getting the shellac off. Alright, you gotta make sure you wipe down everything really good, because it'll try to gack up. Look, like in here, tries to gack up like cement. So you want to make sure you get all that out of there. It's like a mud. It's bug shit. So I mean, it's gonna turn into a big glop of crap. But it's still drying. But here's your natural wood color. And be careful with the upper handguard because it's super thin on these Mosins. But you can see back to the original color here. Got to do sanding for the imperfections. You got a lot of scratches, crap. Pull out all the dents and dings. Get all these little spots here by hand, and then don't forget to do the shelves like I did up there. So yeah, that's what your Mosin looks like stripped, and that's kind of the easier way that I do it, because it's a pain in the butt if you start just sanding. So I don't recommend that. Next up will be when I'm done sanding and everything. That's just with about I don't know, a minute of hand sanding right there. Obviously I'm gonna go more intense on it, but that's just a couple of minutes of hand sanding so you can see the natural color of the Mosin. Okay, quick sand. Here is what a stripped moist nugget stock looks like. This is your this is hardwood, so this is the legit hardwood, and you would stop here and then figure out what kind of finish you're doing. If you want to do the original, you need the original mix of shellac to match the color. With this one, the customer wants an oil finish, so I'm going to use pure tung oil, as I always do, and then seal it. So there you go. That's how you strip down a Mosin Nagant real quick and get it right. That's the original color hardwood, which is beautiful color. Got some nice grain. It's gonna really pop. Let's hit it with the tung oil. All right, to end this video off, and it's nowhere near finished. Because like I said, you're gonna go your own way with how you're gonna finish it. Here, this side here, got 2 coats of oil so far, and the handguard, the upper handguard. And as you can see, same color as an actual wood, which is exactly what we want. Here it's already starting to pop the grain. And like I said, I'm not even anywhere finished with it yet, but I wanted to get the video done by showing you. On the other side, it hasn't been touched yet. It's just sanded, and that's just water. It's been sanded. So that's just in here. I'll put this here so you can see the difference. So yeah, like I said, you're gonna go whatever way you're gonna go. If you're gonna go natural, you're gonna want bug excrement. And they don't seal the wood. Well, they don't pre-oil the wood, the Russians, or anything. So it's gonna be dry as a bone when you start to, if you're gonna oil it first and not just shellac it like they did. So it's gonna take a lot of oil, a lot of times, a lot of waiting. But that's it. Moist Nugget Mosin Nagant refinish. Fucking ghost out.